สวัสดีค่ะ I am so excited. I am here at Bina's house and she is a boss babe. I was totally fangirling her last night. She is a lawyer, but more importantly, an amazing mom, and I heard she's so much fun. So let's go tie things up. Hi, Bina.
Hi, Nikki.
Oh, I'm so excited.
I'm the lucky one. Come on in.
Oh, this is so beautiful.
Thanks.
The Patel Palace.
Yeah, that's what it is.
I love it.
It's usually not this clean.
No. Oh my goodness.
It's all right.
Can I come live here?
It's not as organized as everyone else.
Are you kidding me?
Okay, but it'll do.
It is very organized. I have a lot of options, lady.
Okay.
This is good.
I like sweet. My kids like sweet and salty. My husband can eat any level of spice on earth, and he loves spicy. He likes to sweat. We don't eat as spicy as him, so how to make everyone like their food in the same batch.
You got it.
So I don't know how to do that.
I'm up for that challenge. Okay.
I'm gonna cook one meal, everybody happy.
That's right. And also in maybe one pot or one wok.
Oh,
yeah, that's
yes.
like my ideal situation.
Same. Here's a bunch of Indian lentils, tur dal, rice.
basmati rice.
Yes, Indian, and we have.
I have not cooked with basmati rice before.
Oh, really? It's so good.
Can you teach me?
Yes, 100%. Hold on.
So excited.
Let me get my
you got going on?
Indian store rice cooker, $20. Has lasted about 7 years. Every Indian auntie
Tell me
has
more.
this dabba, which is box. And it is always, it's got your basic Indian spices. This is in every Indian house.
This is so beautiful.
Let's take this out.
Okay, let's do that. Thinking yellow rice, I'm thinking chicken. Is chicken one of the proteins that your household loves to enjoy?
Yes.
Okay, I got an idea. My thought, and after having listened to everything of all the flavor profiles that your family enjoys, your heritage, getting to explore some basmati rice for the first time.
Yes.
So I'm thinking, there's this Thai dish in Thai, duh.
There's a land.
There is a land, and it's called khao mok gai.
Khao mok gai.
Khao mok gai, your accent is so awesome.
Thanks, khao mok gai.
So khao mok gai is a rice that has been infused in a turmeric or a yellow curry flavor profile.
Okay.
And we normally will cook that with the chicken, but I'm gonna find a shortcut. So we're gonna do this dish that would normally take maybe 3 hours or so. We're gonna do it in under 30.
Perfect.
Yes, let's go.
Easy.
Okay, let's start with the rice, girl.
Oh yeah, okay. That's the one I know. That's the fork I know. So rice, so it comes like this, straight out of this like 10-pound canvas Indian bag, but you gotta wash it to death because we don't know where it's been.
That's right.
The East India trade coming over here to Dallas. So see how it's like really turbid?
Yes.
It's like cloudy, right?
Yes.
So now pour that sucker out and then just keep going. Like it might take 6, 7 times.
We do this in Thai cooking too.
You do?
The rule is do it 3 times, at least 3 times,
Okay.
until the water kind of runs clear.
Yep.
We're washing away some good stuff, but more of the bad stuff.
Right. I think we're getting there now. See,
Yes.
it's pretty clear. I'm
It
going to
is
do one more
very
for
clear.
good measure. And after we wash it, yeah, that's pretty clear now. So then I pour this last part out, and then for every 1 cup of rice I use, my mom says do double water. So 2 cups of water in, and then 1 cup of water at the bottom of that rice cooker. So then this ultra modern machine we have here, water in there, put it here, put it in, plug it in, presto, 20 minutes later, you have your rice.
We Asians like our dedicated machines to be just for rice. Rice is really important.
Yes, every day.
It is really important. We are ready to marinate our chicken, and we're gonna keep it really simple and easy. So let's go ahead and fork the chicken.
What is that?
So what I like to do is, so that I can get all the marinades in it faster, just kind of, yeah.
Okay, this I can do.
You can do.
Yes.
Let's do it. I like how she like takes
Stabbing.
control. Stabbing. Get some anger out now. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna marinate in the gluten-free stir-fry flavor sauce. Here, you wanna throw it all in here?
Sure. After my forking is complete.
I love it.
Forking complete.
Forking is complete. Okay, and then I would love to grab some of that turmeric
Okay.
that you had.
Turmeric?
Turmeric.
Yes.
Exactly. I was about to ask you.
Turmeric.
Turmeric.
Haldi.
Haldi, is that the Indian?
Yeah,
I
haldi.
need to learn that. Yeah. Yeah. And then my hand's gonna get really yellow, so I'm gonna use fork. Perfect. Just adding a little bit of flavor. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna pan sear this. I'm gonna put it in the oven. So we probably need to turn on the oven.
Okay.
Let's turn on the oven at 350.
Okay.
Thank you. Now we are going to actually cut the time shorter. We're not gonna even pan fry it. We're gonna just throw it in the oven.
Great.
Even faster.
One less dish to clean.
This I've never seen before, which is so cool. Ghee oil. Let's do it.
Keep it Indian.
Ooh, wow, fun. We already washed our hands.
Yes.
So I'm like, I don't even want to touch the chicken again.
Okay.
Beautiful.
Wonderful.
That's awesome. Okay, we're gonna throw this in the oven.
This is already the most complex thing I've made this year.
Mission accomplished, and it's only the beginning of the year.
350, right?
350. Okay, we'll come back to it. While our chicken is cooking, our rice is cooking, I'm gonna make this side dipping sauce. It's called achar. It's like a sweet and sour,
All right.
and all these colors. So here we go. We got some rice vinegar in your beautiful pantry.
Probably need to check expiration of anything in my pantry.
It's vinegar. It's all about fermentation, is it not?
True. This is true.
Let's turn this fire on. And then we're just going to reduce the sugar,
Okay.
melt it in that.
Do I get up in here?
You sure can.
Okay.
Add a little bit of water so it does melt, and then we're just gonna taste along the way.
Just stirring.
It sounds like you don't do a lot of cooking, but I know you do.
I cook to survive, but you know, my mom was well, you don't know, but my mom was a fantastic cook. She was a research scientist, but she was the best cook in town, and everyone proclaimed her as such. So I've been a little spoiled because I'm an only child. Whenever I'm hungry, or my husband, she loves to cook for him because he loves to eat and he appreciates it. Oh, we're coming home from a trip. She's like, I'm bringing all the food for 3 days, and she would just show up. She brings her laundry basket filled with everything she made that day, which is like, she's not simple. It's like 5-6 dishes. So as a result, second generation doesn't do what the first one does. So I don't know how to cook properly. So this is good.
I do feel her spirit here, though, because it sounds like cooking and feeding people is her love language.
Absolutely. And that's also the way to my husband's heart is cooking.
Right?
So I don't know how he still loves me.
I'm sure he does. I'm sure. Well, that melted really fast. Mom's cooking is
The best.
It is. I'm gonna add a little bit more of this, and I'm gonna add a tiny little bit more sugar just to balance out that acidity from the rice vinegar.
Did you just taste it?
I did.
Oh, it's not hot?
It's not that hot.
Boiling.
That's what happens to chef tongue. Our fingers become really resistant to heat, and apparently our tongue.
That makes sense, because my mom could make a chapati, like a roti, and just flip it straight on the pan, no
See?
problem. And I'm like,
Yep.
okay, in the corner. All
Oh,
right.
I love that. I think we're good. So with that, we're just gonna let it cool down in here. What we're going to pickle in that beautiful vinegar is some cucumbers.
Oh, wow. Oh my gosh, what a trick. You
like
sliced
that
it
trick?
laterally and then,
You wanna have some fun?
no, you do it.
And then I'm gonna let that cool down. I want that
Okay.
to cook. Beautiful peppers here. They're not spicy, so we're good. Your kids are gonna be super excited. Do you like to eat these?
Yes, and they do
Yes?
too.
Raw?
They like the colors. My sister-in-law just
pretty.
taught me like how to get them to eat their vegetables is say, tell me what colors you've eaten today. You know, they have to have a red, whether it's a strawberry or a red pepper or something, and then they have to make a rainbow by the end of the day in order to maybe qualify for Nintendo or you know, a sweet or
my
something
game
like that.
time.
Yeah, or anything, whatever they want. And that was just the best advice.
That's eating the rainbow. That
and
is
not
so-
Skittles.
Thank you. Yes, not the Skittles of different flavor profiles.
Exactly. Vegetables and fruits of the rainbow.
We're gonna get a lot of brownie points.
Yeah.
What color are we gonna be missing today?
No, I think we've got just
think we
yellow
got-
maybe and blue. Blueberries they had this morning, they're good.
Now we got green, red, orange, yellow. Let's add
That's
some
plenty.
purple.
That's enough colors.
Yes. And do they like to eat like raw onions too?
My baby does.
But I'm still gonna cut them just tiny, a little bit smaller. This way it's not so pungent and not so spicy. And now we're going to add it to this vinegar and just let it hang out, build that flavor.
So pretty.
Isn't it? Mm-hmm. I'm gonna chop this, and then so you're not getting like really big pieces of celery in your face. And again, also kid friendly.
All right, let me do something. Get in here.
Let's
All right.
get in here. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna stir fry a lot of these vegetables into the rice.
Okay.
It adds flavor to the fried rice and it just gives more color.
So is there?
A little bit bigger.
Okay.
Think about like that. Still bite size.
Oh, so do I need to not chop?
No, you're good. No chopping.
Cut the trees. All right.
Cut the trees.
Oh wow, this knife
Again.
is very nice.
This is
Do you not know about every Indian house's dollar store knives?
Oh,
that
that's
cut
also the Thai
best?
house.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
With the green and yellow handles. Those are the best knives ever.
Ours are orange handle.
Yeah, same. Hold on.
You're like, I gotta go get it.
Check these out. Are
Oh,
these
these
yours?
are so cute. So we're a little bit bigger, but yes, same concept.
Every
when they
house.
duel, we just kind of throw
Yes.
them out. Awesome.
Okay.
Same with the carrots. How do your kids like to eat your carrots?
They like them steamed, but they'll eat it cooked
So let's just chop them like about the same size as your broccoli that you just did.
like that.
Yeah.
Is this so dysfunctional that I try to cut all three at the same time?
No, I'm gonna do the same thing.
Oh.
I think you did a great job.
Okay, good.
Yes. We want to put a lot of love and beautiful Zen energy into your food, right?
Thank you, Whole Foods God, for all you give us at extremely high prices. Okay.
There we go.
Okay.
Okay, now ginger and some garlic, and then we're gonna cut up some of this onion. How do we know the rice is done?
You can smell it, usually in the kitchen, and then you check, make sure there's no like water, but like, you know how, see, it's kind of standing up?
It does!
Right here, he's like, come on, I'm ready.
Okay, now we're going to make a curry rice, stir fry, super fast version. Or actually, it's just called fried rice. What am I saying?
I don't know. I'm a dumb lawyer. All right.
No, you are not.
So we're gonna put rice. Wait, you need some like sauce or, oil?
Oil.
Grapeseed, okay.
I'm just testing you.
Why
What else?
grapeseed?
What else do I want to put in next? Why grapeseed oil? We need an oil that doesn't have a lot of flavor
Okay.
because we're gonna add a lot of beautiful
Okay,
flavors.
so you don't want it to
Also an
steal the
oil.
thunder.
That's right, an oil that can stand up to high heat.
Okay.
So what should I put in next?
Vegetables. Onion, like an onion go first. That's,
Ooh,
yeah.
What else? What other herbs can we put in that would make it really smelly goody?
Are you talking about my Indian spices? Okay, ginger, garlic.
Yeah.
Just throw the whole thing in there. Anybody
That's
got time
how
for
I
all
like
this?
to cook, girl.
So when I was little, like this would fly up at my mom and it wouldn't like phase her, but
Is it
we would all
phasing you
be
right
like,
now,
no,
be ducking
yeah, but that's
and
how
like,
but, you
what
know,
else going
I'm
on?
getting there. I'm getting there.
I am going to also add our hearty veggies, which
Okay.
is the carrot.
Yes.
These broccolis have already been steamed, or else I probably would have added them in too.
Okay, but you saved them.
Yeah, we don't want to like overcook them. Okay, rice, let's go. You want a
So
bigger
how much do I
thingy?
put? Yes.
Let's do half.
Okay.
Okay, and now let's
That's good,
stir
right?
fry it. Yeah.
Okay.
Toss it around. Look at you.
Look at me. I'm cooking.
You are cooking. I'm gonna add a little bit of sauce.
And which sauce is this?
This
Oh, your
is
stir
the
fry.
gluten-free stir fry.
Oh. That's where the magic comes in.
Flavor, yes.
Okay.
And then let's put in some haldi.
Oh, the turmeric, yes.
Turmeric.
In India, before someone gets married, like the girl, they make a paste and they put it all over her. It gives a nice glow. It's really good for the skin. It's an antiseptic, so, used against infection.
Yes, that's why they have them on the pills now.
That's why a lot of Indian food has it everywhere.
Yes.
It's just so good for you.
It adds another layer of flavor. We got to add a lot of veggies in there, and then we're gonna taste and see what else we need.
Oh, wow.
More
I love
flavor?
it sweet. I love it. Oh my gosh, my kids are gonna love this.
Yay! It's done. So we're gonna go check on the chicken.
Okay.
Okay, the beautiful chicken. Here are the sizzles.
Good to go.
Yeah, okay, we're gonna compose this dish now. We're gonna put this all together. The chicken, the rice, the sauce.
Okay.
A little for me.
I should be serving you.
You are doing beautifully. And then I like to put this on my rice.
okay.
Let's dig in.
Crispy on. I can't believe
Good flavor.
we put turmeric in there. That's crazy.
Really?
It was crazy awesome.
Yeah? Thank you so much, everyone, for watching. Bina, how was the experience?
Wonderful. Now I
Yes.
have a dish that I know my kids will like. It has lots of veggies. Easy.
And also, as a gift, we will be leaving you a set of sauce you can explore and play and have so much fun.
Oh my gosh, thank you. I'm so
Thank
lucky.
you
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you all for watching. And until next time, don't forget, subscribe. Let us know what was your favorite part, or how would you infuse some Indian flavors into your dish and have a lot of fun. Thank you for tying things up with me. Bye.
The best takeaway from the Thai Takeover experience is that I don't need to go and get all these things from the grocery store in order to make an amazing chef quality meal in my house. I have everything, I just don't know how to use them. So now today I learned how to use the various things in my house. You know, my Indian spices that from my mom's dish are so usable in different foods, and I love incorporating that. It reminds me of home. It was so wonderful to learn how to use my mom's things in food that I'm making now, because she has passed away and I miss her all the time. And it's moments like this where I use her ingredients, like literally these are the exact ones that she still used. She didn't pass away that long ago. So her hands have been in this. And so for me to continue to take her stuff and use it for her grandkids and ourselves, it feels like she's part of the meal.